Okay, here's a quick video so you can see the completed thigh weight maps. So minimize that collapsing in there. Like I said, this is just the completed fleshing out. There still can be some smoothing along that thigh, get better edge flow there. We are maintaining that thigh gap, but we're not going to make it extreme because this is supposed to be the base figure. So you can see the thigh gap is maintained, but we do come in and take a look at it. It's not as drastic. Obviously, everyone is different. Some people carry more muscle and or weight in the inner thighs as well as the outer thighs, but we will have morph options to thin out both the inner and outer thigh as well as front and back, and we'll make it specific to just the adductor area, and you can adjust as you need to for your characters. But that's what it looks like. Once again, there were no JCMs on this. We pretty much have everything dialed in where we want it. There'll be like a few tweaks, but overall we think it looks really, really good. Much improved over our Dawn and Dawn SE, and hopefully will continue to go well. We're into the torso, which will be the next video update for you for our work in progress. Thanks.